Oh, it actually smells like shortbread. It smells real good, real good. I'm gonna be smelling real good this holiday season. So hey Floss fam, it's your girl Marcy J, and today I'm back with another video. If it's your first time here, then welcome to my channel, and if it's not, then welcome back. So guys, today I'm super excited about today's video because today I'll be doing an Ulta Beauty unboxing, and I'm super excited because I got me some goodies. But before I proceed, let me just take the time out to give a shout out to my friend V Major, because she actually gifted me with an Ulta Beauty gift card for my birthday. So if it wasn't for you, girl, I wouldn't have been able to make this purchase. So thanks, boo. So yeah, y'all, let's jump into this unboxing. So this is the box, y'all. I already opened it because, you know, I had to make sure that my purchase was on point. It was accurate. So the first product that I'll be unboxing today is by Wet n Wild. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Sticks Brilliant Lip Gloss. And I actually purchased two. So fun fact about this product is that I've actually never purchased this for myself. I recently purchased it because I had a wedding booking and I had purchased this in a different shade. And I just love the application. It went on so smooth and it's super pigmented. So I'm just like, you know what? Why not spoil myself and get me one? So I got me one and then I got me two. So one for me and one for my clients. So stay tuned for future videos on me applying this on my lips. So the next product I'll be unboxing today is a Moist Satin Lip Gloss by Milani. Another cute nude shade. I don't know, I've been having like a lip fetish lately, like a lippy fetish. I'm just super in love with lip glosses. You can never go wrong with too many lip glosses. Keep your lips hydrated, ladies. Your lips will thank you. But yeah, I just thought that this was so cute and it had great reviews. And I'm actually a big fan of Milani. Like, don't sleep on her. Her products are phenomenal. And yeah, so this is in the shade Lavish, Sumptuous. Yeah, Lavish, Sumptuous. So yeah, y'all. This is her, Milani. It's giving real elegant. I'm feeling the gold cap and the gold logo accent. This is just real cute. Super cute, super cute. So speaking of Milani, the next product that I purchased is the Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. So let me tell y'all about this foundation. This is a staple in my makeup kit. So y'all know I love Becca foundation, 24-hour full coverage foundation. But since they discontinued the product, I had to find an alternative. And y'all, this is like really the next best thing. And I don't know why I haven't seen a lot of people doing reviews on this foundation, because this is Makeup's Kiss. You know how they got Chef's Kiss? This is Makeup's Kiss. Like, it's very inexpensive. It's about like $10. And it's like a dual combo of like concealer consistency and foundation consistency. It definitely gives that full coverage look that the girls need. And I'm just so in love. I got it in the shade Chestnut. And yeah, y'all, I'm definitely gonna do a demo on this foundation. So make sure, like I said, to stay tuned. So I told y'all I've been having like a lip fetish lately. So I got me the NYX Buttergloss. Y'all can't go wrong with the NYX Buttergloss. This is actually in the color Madeline. I've actually purchased this product several times. I can't go without it. This is definitely a staple in my makeup kit. Can never go wrong with NYX. It's definitely affordable. It's just, it's giving what the girls need, okay? Like, you can never go wrong with a nude lip gloss. Like, nude does the girl good, okay? So the next product that I purchased was the Royalty 1 by Juvia's Place Loose Highlighter. So I've actually never tried this product, so I decided to purchase it. Because I use pigmented highlighters. I've never used loose highlighters on my clients nor myself, so I wanted to give this a try. And y'all know I love Juvia's Place. I swear by their eyeshadow palettes and so forth. A majority of the products in my makeup kit is Juvia's Place, so I'm definitely gonna do a review on this, so make sure to stay tuned. So the next thing that I purchased was by Hempz. It's this apple cinnamon shortbread herbal body moisturizer. So Hempz products are usually infused with like CBD or THC, if I'm not mistaken. So I wanted to give it a try. I wanted to see what the benefits of this product actually was. I seen a couple of reviews on it. They had pretty decent reviews. So I'm just like, you know, I can't go wrong with another moisturizer. So I decided to invest in this. I'm actually gonna see what this smells like right now, because I wanna see what it smells like. If it smells like shortbread, you know? It's actually not opening, y'all. I don't know why it's not. Oh, it actually smells like shortbread. It smells real good, real good. I'm gonna be smelling real good this holiday season. So yeah, this is it. And last but not least, I just got me like a Ulta Beauty towel bow headband. I love these for when I'm doing my nighttime facial routines, because it, you know, prevents the water from getting on my hair and my edges. And I just think it's a cute accent piece. It makes me feel extremely girly. I needed another one because I don't know where my last one went. So I just decided to, like, you know, treat myself with something cute, something feminine, something that I could rock around the house. So that actually officially completes my Ulta unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to comment down below if you've used any of the products that I showed you guys in this video today. And if you do decide to go out and purchase any of these products, then be sure to comment down below and let me know how it works for you. And I can't wait to see you guys in next week's video. But before I go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to keep up with me on Instagram at Flossie_princess93 with 2 eyes. And to see all my makeup goodies, make sure to follow my beauty page at Face Paint by Marcy J. Don't forget to click that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I can't wait to see you guys in next week's video. Ciao.